There will come a day when you wake up and feel tired. Tired of chasing, tired of hoping, tired of believing that something great is waiting for you out there. You'll stare at the mirror and ask yourself, is this it? Is this the life I'm meant to live? And in that moment, you'll have two choices: to give in or to rise again. See, life doesn't care who you are, how smart you are, or where you come from. It will test you. It will break you. It will drag you through darkness so deep you'll forget what light even looks like. But that's not the end. That's the beginning. Because pain is not your punishment. It's your awakening. Every person you've ever admired, from legends to dreamers, they all started with doubt. They all faced rejection. They all failed again and again. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. Michael Jordan was told he wasn't good enough for the team. Oprah Winfrey was told she wasn't fit for television. And yet, they rose again because they understood something powerful. Success isn't built in comfort, it's built in chaos, in pain, in late night self-doubt, and the moments nobody claps for you. Listen, your struggle is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're in motion, that you're still fighting for something that matters. The world doesn't reward those who wait for the perfect moment. It rewards those who create it. You don't need permission to become great. You don't need validation to chase your dream. You only need courage to keep walking when the road disappears. You might be in a dark chapter right now. Maybe life hit you harder than you expected. Maybe you lost someone. Maybe your heart is broken. Maybe your dreams slipped right through your fingers. But let me tell you something. The pain you feel today is shaping the person you'll become tomorrow. The universe doesn't give you battles you can't fight. It gives you battles that reveal who you really are. There's a fire inside you, a spark that refuses to die no matter how many times you fall. That's your gift. That's your power. So rise up. Not because the world expects it, not because people are watching, but because you owe it to yourself to see how far you can go. You owe it to the little version of you, the one who once believed that everything was possible. Remember this, you're not behind, you're not lost. You're exactly where you need to be to grow into the person you're meant to become. Every scar has a story. Every failure has a purpose. Every setback is just a setup for the comeback. So don't stop now. You've come too far to quit. Your dream, it's still waiting. Your purpose, it's still alive. And one day, when you look back on this moment, you'll realize this was the turning point. The day you refused to give up. The day you chose to rise again. Because that's what champions do. They fall, they bleed, they suffer, but they never, ever stay down. You are stronger than you think. You are braver than you feel. And your story is far from over. So take a breath, stand tall, and go create the life that once only existed in your dreams. This is your time. This is your comeback. This is your rise again. If this message moved you, don't forget to share it with someone who needs to hear it today.